Good morning, guys. Tony Maritato here. Another exercise with the band across the squat rack. Now, this is just a regular looped band that we pulled across and tied. I think it's super important that my clients who have had a total knee replacement also work on hip and ankle strength. So one of the things that we'll do here in the clinic is we'll bring the client inside. If I had a right total knee replacement, I'm still going to do this exercise both on the right and left sides, because what we're doing is when I'm pushing out against the rubber band on the surgical side, I'm actually building strength on the supporting leg. So this is an exercise for my left hip, even though it's my right leg that's moving. Now, one of the things that happens sometimes is clients are a little apprehensive. They're uncomfortable with the pressure being below the knee replacement. So what can be done is I can bring this up above. So my knee line is here. This is just above the knee. It does make the exercise easier. It reduces the resistance. But if it makes me more comfortable, since I am working the left non-surgical side in this case, totally fine. But of course, we always want to work both sides. So when I'm on this side now, here's my surgical leg. As I work my left abduction, my right hip is working. I'm loading the surgical knee in this case, and I'm building confidence and awareness. I'm allowing the central nervous system to get comfortable with that kind of lateral stress through the knee while stabilizing the hip and the ankle. So this is one of my favorite exercises, standing leg abduction. You can do it against resistance. You can do it without resistance. There's lots of ways to do this, but this is something that I would start doing after a knee replacement within the first week or two, once I've gotten the patient comfortable with single limb support through the surgical leg.